A tri-camper is a compact recreational vehicle, RV, or camping trailer designed to provide comfortable accommodation for travelers while remaining easy to tow and maintain. In 2026, tri-campers continue to gain popularity because they combine modern technology, convenience and affordability, making them suitable for families, couples and adventure enthusiasts. Their lightweight construction and efficient design allow them to be towed by many SUVs and pickup trucks, reducing fuel consumption compared to larger RVs. One of the key features of a 2026 tri-camper is its smart interior layout. Despite its compact size, it typically includes a sleeping area, a small kitchenette dining space, storage compartments, and in many models, a compact bathroom with a shower and toilet. Foldable furniture and multi-purpose storage solutions maximize the available space, ensuring comfort without making the camper feel crowded. Technology plays an important role in modern tri-campers. Many 2026 models include solar panels, lithium battery systems, LED lighting, USB charging ports, Wi-Fi connectivity, and smart control panels that allow users to monitor battery levels, water tanks, and lighting from a mobile app. These features make off-grid camping easier and more sustainable, while reducing dependence on traditional power sources. The exterior of a tri-camper is designed for durability and efficiency. Manufacturers commonly use lightweight aluminum frames and fiberglass panels, which improve fuel efficiency, while providing protection against harsh weather conditions. Improved insulation also allows campers to remain comfortable in both hot summers and cold winters, extending their usability throughout the year. Safety has also improved significantly in 2026 models. Standard features often include anti-sway towing technology, electronic braking systems, rear-view cameras, smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and advanced locking systems. These enhancements provide greater confidence and security during travel and camping. Another advantage of tri-campers is their versatility. They are suitable for weekend trips, cross-country road adventures, camping in national parks, and even remote off-road destinations. When equipped with rugged suspension and all-terrain tires, many owners customize their campers with bike racks, rooftop storage, awnings, or outdoor kitchens to match their travel preferences. Environmental sustainability is another focus in 2026. Manufacturers increasingly use recyclable materials, energy-efficient appliances, water-saving fixtures, and eco-friendly manufacturing processes. Solar-powered systems reduce reliance on fossil fuels, making tri-campers a greener option for outdoor enthusiasts.